Hey everyone! On today's episode, I'm going to talk to you about being a car salesman. I know, most people think that they're just out to get you, but remember, it is a great skill set and it is a great profession for many people. And there are a lot of good, honest salespeople out there, but unfortunately, there's some bad ones too. My name is Cordell from With Clutch, and this is Changing Gears. Now, I do hold this topic dear to my heart because I'm in sales too. Granted, I'm in commercial sales, but nonetheless, this is a behind-the-scenes look at the pros and cons of car sales. So, to answer the main question of this video, how much can you make? Well, the short answer is you probably won't make that much. Some people do, but being in car sales, most salespeople last for a very short amount of time and turnover is pretty frequent. At some dealerships, their average tenure is 6 months or less. As a good salesperson, you can expect a mix of a base salary and a bonus pay based on the units you've sold. So each dealership works a little differently, but the norm may be around $200 per vehicle retailed and some base compensation as well. The bad news is that most people don't sell that many cars. An average salesperson sells about 10 to 15 cars per month, so this means about $2,000 to $3,000 in incentive-based compensation, and that compensation may be offset by minimum wage salary plus benefits. Now, a great salesperson can sell double that, upwards of 40 plus cars per month. That would mean a commission of $96K annually. But, and this is for a lot of sales positions, many dealers have stair-step sales programs. So the first 20 cars may pay $200 for each car, and then after 20, you receive $300 to $400 in commission. Other times, there is fixed bonuses reaching these volumes. So a great salesperson can earn potentially up to $150,000 or more in compensation. In addition, typically the best salesperson gets the best leads. So as they improve, selling becomes more easy. Think about it as a dealership. Would you hand off your leads to your least experienced salespeople? So on average, you'll rarely make more than a typical working wage. That being said, there are a number of reasons to do it, and honestly goes for most sales jobs. It builds tremendous resilience and sales talent because it's one of the hardest products to sell since most customers don't trust you. Also, this skill set can benefit you in most every customer service geared position. And if you can hang in there, it's often the way into the next opportunity. You don't need to be the best salesperson to move into management roles at the dealership. But frontline experience is valued most, and sales managers do earn a decent wage. That being said, this can be a very difficult job because customers can be abusive and untrusting from the start. Hours are very long and involved, nights and weekends, which is when typically most people are going to buy. And to a lot of customers, being known as the adversary can be pretty emotionally daunting as well. Because it's such a difficult job, there are lots of opportunities for those willing to tough it out and learn from the experience of selling cars. It is a great way to understand customers' mindset and will prepare you for a great role in solution-based selling. So if you do get an opportunity to get into car sales, it's worth a shot. Thanks for watching. I hope this gives you some insight into the world of car sales. At With Clutch, we're here to empower you as a car buyer to help either refinance your current vehicle or purchase your next dream car. See you next time.